Here I have Jaecoo 5 and let me show you how to adjust or silence the lane departure alert on Jaecoo cars. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then let's find and select the settings. So you can open settings in two ways, by using this icon with the car and by using this car at the bottom of the screen. Then let's use the left menu, select here the third tab, which is the driver assistance, and here you need to scroll down, as you can see, to this section. Here you can enable or disable the lane departure warning, right here. Just by using this feature, and this feature monitors line markings and warns you if you begin drifting out of your line without using your turn signal. Under alert mode, you can choose whether the car alerts you via a loud chime, so this is like the sound option, via the vibration, or you can use both, so sound and vibration, just by using this third option. The sensitivity slider changes how close you have to get into the painted line before it triggers, so it could be late or early. I think late, in my case, it's enough. So you can just use this lane departure warning right here, as you can see, and adjust it to your needs. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.